Mehbooba Mufti, the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir and the leader of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, has issued a stark warning to the Indian government, urging it to learn from the socio-economic challenges faced by Bangladesh. Mufti expressed concerns over the rising unemployment and inflation in India, highlighting that these issues are pushing the country's youth to the brink.
से महंगाई का तूफान, दूसरी तरफ से अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट और तीसरी तरफ से ऐसे कुछ फैसले करते हो जिससे वो बेबस और लाचार महसूस करता है। पढ़ लिख के कब तक एक जवान अपने माँ बाप के सामने हाथ फैलाएगा, और वो उस माँ बाप के सामने जिसके ऊपर महंगाई का इतना बोझ पड़ा हुआ है कि उसकी कमर टूट गई है।
Mufti pointed to Bangladesh as a cautionary tale, noting how the neighboring country has struggled with similar issues, leading to significant social unrest. She emphasized the need for India to take proactive measures to address these economic challenges to prevent a similar situation from unfolding. Bangladesh is facing severe problems due to unemployment and inflation, and we must learn from their experience. The youth in our country are feeling increasingly marginalized and frustrated due to the lack of opportunities and rising costs of living, Mufti stated.
तो मुझे लगता है कि बांग्लादेश से हमें ये सबक सीखना चाहिए कि तानाशाही का ज्यादा वक्त नहीं होता है, और लोगों के खिलाफ जो आप पॉलिसी लाते हो, कानून लाते हो, उससे आखिरकार लोग एक बार तंग होके उनके बर्दाश्त का जो पैमाना है वो टूट जाता है, छलक जाता है, और फिर शेख हसीना की तरह आपको भागना पड़ता है। तो मुझे लगता है हमारे मुल्क में इसके लिए बहुत बड़ा सबक है।
She criticized the current government's economic policies, arguing that they have failed to generate sufficient employment opportunities and control inflation. Mufti called for comprehensive policy reforms aimed at boosting job creation and stabilizing prices to ensure a more secure future for India's youth. Mufti's comments come at a time when India is grappling with economic challenges exacerbated by global uncertainties and domestic policy decisions. Her remarks underscore the urgency of addressing these issues to prevent social unrest and ensure long-term economic stability. The PDP leader has consistently advocated for the welfare of youth and has called for policies that prioritize education, skill development, and employment generation. Her recent statements serve as a reminder of the critical importance of addressing the economic grievances of the younger population to maintain social harmony and progress.